conversation around the topics that we had both planned to cover in our keynotes. Intel's transformation, the growth opportunities for our industry, and our continued commitment to learn, work, and partner with each of you.
As the entire world has had to deal with this, we've seen an incredible demand for ways to use technology to help people return to work and play. Intel has been at the very forefront, in fact, taking the Insight Connected platform into their marketplace within a matter of weeks.
Whether it's artificial intelligence and machine learning, whether it's the deployment of 5G, and whether it's the intelligence increasingly that's not just in the cloud, but that's at the edge with these compute devices. So these three technology inflections only accelerate what we characterize as a data-intensive digital economy today. That's the opportunity we have at this moment. COVID-19, we believe, is only going to accelerate it.
In his keynote, SWAN said it's important for partners to take advantage of strategic inflection points such as AI, 5G, and edge intelligence as the demand for data grows. So how are you leveraging these inflection points?
Yeah, it's interesting. I think the whole world is acknowledging the need to keep our employees, our teammates, our friends out of harm's way and traveling as little as possible. So the demand for particularly edge IoT and AI at the edge has actually soared. It's a difficult time for partners to be making these investments, but it's absolutely what's needed to help the world return to work and play in a safe way.
And how is Intel supporting your business and customers as we transition to a digital society?
We're working on how do we integrate everything with Intel? How do we get access? How do we get data to the people to make data-driven decisions? And with COVID, Intel has really leaned in to help us develop new technologies to look at people who are healthy, not healthy. Can we give them access to schools, theme parks? It's been a great partnership to use anything from the Intel NUC all the way to OpenVINO and all their advanced AI ML systems that we've been using.
From a channel organization perspective, what progress have you seen over the last year with Intel Partner Alliance?
We've grown it a lot. In 2020, Worldwide and Intel really came to start pushing more of the art of the possible. What can we really do to get Intel even and Worldwide farther down range, as we call it on the DoD side, but really start to present what edge to cloud means. We're working on satellite solutions with Intel, so optical satellite, so you can connect to a satellite from a ship. I mean, we're really starting to push that edge to cloud concept and using Cascade Lake, some of their hyperconverged, their Optane SSD, that allows us to really show how we can go from that edge inferencing all the way to very high performance computing inside the data center or the cloud.
And why is the program attractive to a partner such as yourself?
I think we're looking forward to seeing how Intel Marketplace can benefit ASI and how we might be able to take advantage of that or be able to use that to showcase some of the solutions that we're working with our other customers that utilize Intel products. So I think Intel Marketplace is one that we're still internally for ourselves learning about and trying to educate ourselves on, but I think that's one that creates a great way for us to show our customers what other things ASI is doing, what other areas ASI is working on.
And how has the CPU shortage impacted your business?
It's something that's certainly out there. It's something that our supply chain has just gotten really good at working with. You know, between the communications with Intel, which have vastly improved over the past year to 18 months, particularly on allocations and shortages. I think we're in a good space. If distributor 1 doesn't have what we need, distributor 2 or 3 probably do. And I think we're in a much better situation than we were, say, a year ago.